Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Atlas. This is going to be a quick little video, but woo-wee! This is a spicy video. If you guys haven't been on Twitter recently, well, you're kind of missing out. There's a cryptocurrency that is super trending. I mean, this thing has been trending for 3 days on Twitter and has about 214,000 tweets. As of the time of me actually making this video, I can go ahead and show you guys right here. You can see, boom, right there, 214,000 tweets. Well, some people might be wondering, what is the SafeMoon coin? Is it legitimate or not? What is it that's going on? Is it another Doge coin? That kind of a thing. And I'm here to go ahead and break it down for you and make it very simple. So if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button as well. It's greatly appreciated. I cover a lot of different cryptocurrencies on this channel. Also click that bell icon so that you know whenever we have a new video. And also, if you guys decide that you do want to go buy some SafeMoon yourself, I have a separate video in which I have uploaded today, and it's titled How to Buy SafeMoon Bonus Trick Around Trust Wallet Error. You guys can go check that out for yourselves, and hopefully it helps you out. So I did a full breakdown. Anyway, so SafeMoon protocol, right, also known as SafeMoon, it is a cryptocurrency that has a couple metric systems to it that make it really unique. So for one, if we go over to CoinMarketCap, when they do their little description, these 3 points are reflection, the lock point acquisition, or lock pool acquisition, and burn. SafeMoon protocol is a combination of RFI tokenomics, I'll explain the tokenomics in a second, and an auto liquidity generating protocol. According to an article, SafeMoon plans to develop a non-fungible token NFT exchange, as well as charity projects and crypto educational apps. SafeMoon launched on March 8th, 2021, just a little bit before my birthday. So this thing's been around for about a month and a week or so. Look at it that way, right? Still super early. I mean, this thing is so early that they're having to reach out on their Twitter account to CoinMarketCap to get them to update their stuff. So you guys can see on the chart here, this thing is just going absolutely full parabolic, just melting people's faces off with this thing. The market cap is not actually identified right now, and because of that, it doesn't have like a legitimate rank. You look at how many people are actively coming into this and how much the price has been moving, and I think it's going to be way higher, and that's probably one of the reasons why they want to get that updated. You guys can also see a couple other key points here. The total supply is in the trillions, okay? So this is 426 million, that's billion, that's 616 trillion tokens. Reported circulation is very close to that as well. That's what they're identifying with this. But something to keep in mind, right, is that normally it's much harder to reach higher prices when you have high circulating supply like this, because the amount of money that's needed to be able to affect the entire mass as a whole. Now, the good news is that one of the mechanics with SafeMoon is that it actually decreases over time, right? That's one of the big key highlights that I wanted to showcase for you guys is, right, where did it go? I had it. Oh, right here. It was towards the top. How did I miss that? Anyways, so you got the automatic lock points, right? So you do a trade. This is what happens. You do a trade, you do a transaction, and some of this money is going to end up getting burned, meaning that it's no longer in existence. Nobody has it. It's just gone, right? So you do that trade, a little bit is just gone. And then another little tiny bit is then evenly distributed based on a proportion of your percentage of holdings in comparison to, say, somebody else, right? So if somebody has a lot more, they're going to get rewarded a little bit more than somebody that only has like one, just to keep that in mind, right? And so from doing that, what it causes is rewarding the people that are willing to hold on 2 different forefronts, but at the same time, it's also encouraging you to spend these currencies, because every time that it spends, it actually helps the entire community as a whole, right? And the other thing to keep in mind too is the fact that they mentioned the NFT space. In fact, over on their Twitter account, they were saying that the team is working day and night on the exchange plans. This is just a light concept, but with great devs and efficiency, we feel this is achievable. They're being very proactive, especially on Twitter. They're at SafeMoon. And if you guys want to check me out, I'm at Crypto Atlas YT. Feel free to send me some cool space memes to let me know that you guys came from this YouTube video or whatever. You guys are part of the community for this. If you support it, cool. If you don't and you're just curious about it, all right, that's fine too. I cover a lot of different cryptocurrency stuff on this channel and would love for you guys to come back regardless. And so they got this big update going on for their exchange stuff here, right? In addition to that, on Wednesday, so today is Monday as of the time I'm making this video, on Wednesday they have supposedly 2 different exchanges that are going to be listed on the horizon. A lot of exchanges reaching out to list SafeMoon. We're honored and in a great position being able to choose. We'll only make the right choices to benefit holders. There's wild speculation that's going on as far as what exchanges that this could be. One of those is with Binance, where people were trying to decrypt 2 different tweets, where at the end of the tweet, one said safe, and then on one of the other ones, it said moon at the very end. There are 2 different points in time, 2 different tweets, but both from Binance. And it's kind of like trying to connect the dots. You guys tell me whether or not you think that that's legitimate or not. I think it would be amazing if Binance does list this, but I will say this, and I did say it on Twitter, whatever exchanges decide to list this coin are going to get a lot of new users signing up, right? The steps that you go through, which I have right over here in my video, as I mentioned, it's a little bit of a pain. Like, I'm not going to lie to you guys. It is a little bit of a pain, especially if you try one method and you encounter the error, which a lot of people are encountering, which is what I troubleshoot in my video of how to work around that. But it's, you know, it's not just point A, point B kind of a thing. And so a lot of people could be going on these exchanges. Whatever exchanges decide to be a part of this, it's going to be huge. The other project stuff that they got going on with the charity work and all that good stuff, I love to hear it. The fact that they got a the fact that they got a roadmap. They got 200,000 followers now over on their Twitter account. We hop on over to this. You can see it's actually at 216,000 followers. So they are just absolutely tearing this up. So with so high of a market cap, or sorry, of a total supply, right? With so high of a total supply, you might say to yourselves, well, I don't know if this thing's ever going to do anything because that's just absolutely outrageous. Even 1 billion tokens is considered to be a quite a high amount. Geez, why did I have so much trouble trying to say that? So 1 trillion, it's like, oh my gosh, man. But it's continuously burning. It's burning at a very, very fast, rapid rate. And as you guys can see, we're getting closer and closer. Every zero that gets passed over here is working its way over towards the 1 cent range. If you're like me, about 2 years ago, I was hoping to find a project like this that would have a super, super low price, something way below 1 cent range, and I could try and get in early on it. You have a project that has a massive amount of social media attention right now, and it has a beautiful form of mechanics, that tokenomics, which is that burning mechanics. You remove some, and then you also reward everyone else with a little bit of a portion as well. So I think you combine those together with real practical application, because they're so early in their stages with this, that this is a very good potential project. This is my own opinion. Let me clarify and make that totally upfront. I'm not a financial advisor. This is my own opinion, but this, in my opinion, looks amazing. So I'm a part of it. You guys let me know what you guys think of it. If you want to check out another cryptocurrency that's similar to something like this, you have the Dogecoin. So for those of you guys that like Doge in the whole meme community, or you don't like Doge because of the fact of its infinite supply of producing coins, that kind of a thing, well, that's why we got Doge. And I'm also supporting Doge. I made a separate video where I explained about that. If you guys want to check it out, I'll probably, I don't know, have something somewhere in the description or whatever. Right? And so the thing is, they do the same thing with tokenomics. They burn some and they reward the rest of the users. You have the 420 Doge thing that's coming up. I wouldn't be surprised if this makes a really good pump that day as well. But they've got a little bit less in comparison to that of the amount of coins of SafeMoon. So I'm going to wrap up the video there. If you need to get started with any kind of traditional cryptocurrencies and you want to earn some for free, or you want to get into the stock market, guys, I do have referral links in the description down below for Coinbase, Gemini, BlockFi, Robinhood, and Webull. Feel free to use those to get the free stuff. People like free stuff, right? And on top of it, if you use my BlockFi affiliate link, you can earn up to $250 in bonus crypto. So all the info's there, guys. Let me know what you think about this coin. Are you bullish on it? Are you bearish on it? Do you think it's a scam? Do you like the idea? Do you think it's going to be big with the NFTs and stuff? What are your thoughts and opinions? Feel free to share down below. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button, click the bell icon, and I will see you in the next episode.